jeg kører, og så siger vi noget.
1, 2, 3. Det er en prøve.
So back to the...
I know, but not blueberry, but this small red.
Welcome everybody to Denmark in this international exchange here. I would like to open up to all 2 days. And in our work in Denmark for the dance movement therapy, we use music a lot. Also, you can also try to turning around so you are not having the others. Yeah. You are freezing. And sense how that is. And finding another pillow. And sense how is it to stand on that pillow. And with this rhythm, not a little bit turn inside. And all the stuff we have outside there, I need that in my car. My name is Mette Ørbæk. I'm the owner of Sense of Movement, Dance for Bevægelse, and we are the project leader for the Danish part of this international project from Erasmus. Tak til jer alle sammen, for at I vil lade os komme herind i jeres rum. Så med vores gæster fra Slovenien og Rumænien, og bare danse med os også. I er seje. Og nu vil jeg gerne byde Christina velkommen.
Ja, tak for det. Nej, det er jo ikke. I try again. Anyhow, welcome to Glad and Glad SU. Just a little bit about where you are, the house you're in. It's called Gladfonden. It's a foundation who works with people with handicap and also without. We were founded in 1999. The founders of Glad started in a mission to say that people with handicap should have a voice. But the foundation is the principle of people with handicap and people neurotypical or people with not handicap working together. The mission was the freedom of expression. So we started being a TV station. The creative field is kind of our home ground. So thank you very much. Yeah, to you also. And enjoy being together and thank you.
So it's not my decision what we're going to dance together with you. It's all of us. Er I klar?
Ja! 1, 2, 3!
Okay, Charlie will want to say.
Charlie!
Danny.
Natalia.
Og så spejler vi hinanden.
Spejl.
Vi mirror. Yeah. So grab 2 and 2.
Okay. Do you want to spell first?
I don't know. You can start.
Okay. The first and after you. Okay?
I can start. Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
Astrid and I, we smelted here. We melted. It was so beautiful to see from outside. So beautiful. So you can stay with the same partner, and then you will walk side by side and not look at the partner, but really sensing, where is my partner? For det kan jeg huske, det nævnte I gerne ville også vise den, ikke? Så den tager vi lige. Ja, værsgo. Og så skal I have lidt plads. Space, der er space over her. Så hvem af jer er først? Ja, okay. Så jeg har put også music on. Og lige, ja. Og så falder bevægelsen til ro. Så lige nu kommer vi noget kraft. Vi kan dance together as a group.
Hi, my name is Țepuru Gabriel. I am a dance teacher and a choreographer from Romania. One of the most touching experience was working with children with disabilities. We included them and they included us through creativity and dance. We felt part of the group and I think they felt part of the group.
And then you say, and now I want you to, it's like you are the leader of the workshop. Exactly.
The weather is very changing. Because you get to everyone is familiar with calls you and you're like, hey, welcome. Maybe I will try to copy a bit. Do out the room. Then be as small as possible and then I will put on the strong and light.
Fast enough?
It's okay.
Where do you want people to start? And you decide also.
Can I delimitate the space?
Yeah, okay. Absolutely. Interesting. And it was without music, right? As I remember. Without. Yeah.
I'm not a beginner. I will invite you to experiment the walk in the different ways. First, I'd like to move very, very slow. And I will tell you when we will start. And at the one moment, I will change the level and the space to move, and I will communicate. So now, enough outside the cover. Outside the cover. More fast. Faster. More. And don't touch. And stop. And now the supreme challenge.
Yeah, and maybe this also, in these 2 days, we had this opportunity to facilitate. It was a very rich, powerful experience, not very easy. It was actually so cool that we had this experience in such a safe space, and that we had Mete, who was guiding us and supporting our facilitation, because usually I go and I do something and then I reflect it.
If, for example, I am confused, I'm really confused, my thought is really, how would my body then move? The next one is, I am focused. I'm really focused. So now we are going to the psychologically. The third one is I'm divided. One part of me really wanted to do this, another part wanted to do something else. So. And right now you're actually opening up the social dimension. Open and close. Open and close. Open and close. Open and lift. Open and close. Open and close. And now be ready for going in. And going in. And then we give to the group what we want to give. And then we go back, we take from the group what we want. Okay. So, yes, thank you for dancing that, but I love my dance.
Thank you for sharing it. So this weekend was very rich. In experiencing both layers, the layer of exploring myself, but also this layer of creating a workshop, a space. Especially for me, very important was this sensing of the space and how to create an environment where you can work with what is present.
And it was really great for the different worlds to be connected and to see how that went. And it went really great. I really felt there was a great level of inclusion.
We have made this project in order to build bridges between different people and worlds that are considered very different. But actually, dancing is the place and the space and the instrument that guides people through their inner self and also between them. And that's the beauty and the magic of dance therapy, that it can bring people together at a level where you don't need the words,